All right, we're starting now. Module 11, Safe Food Handling. In this module, we're moving through every essential stage of food handling, from purchasing and transportation to receiving, storage, preparation, cooking, and finally, serving and display. Let's begin. Safe food handling in food establishments. As a worker in any food establishment, no matter what your role is, fully understanding all stages of food handling and knowing how to handle food safely within the establishment is crucial. Why does this matter? It ensures food safety at all stages, providing healthy and safe meals. It helps prevent foodborne illnesses by following proper guidelines and procedures. And it ensures smooth operations by minimizing errors and risks. Now we're moving to something extremely important: time and temperature control. Why does it matter? It prevents the growth of harmful bacteria. It keeps food safe and high quality. And it protects customers while maintaining compliance with food safety standards, such as HACCP. Here are some key points. Always monitor time and temperature during food preparation, storage, and service. High-risk foods, such as meat, poultry, seafood, and dairy, require extra attention. Internal core temperature checks confirm that food is cooked or stored safely. For example, cook chicken to at least 75 degrees Celsius at the thickest part to ensure it's safe. Keep cold foods below 5 degrees Celsius and hot foods above 60 degrees. All right, now let's talk about how and when to check temperatures. When to check. Before cooking, verify storage temperature, cold storage, under 5 degrees Celsius. During cooking, measure the thickest part of the food using a sanitized probe thermometer. After cooking, check holding temperatures, hot holding above 60 degrees. During cooling, ensure food cools from 60 degrees to 21 degrees within 2 hours and down to 5 degrees within 4 hours. How to check. Use a clean, calibrated thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the food away from bone or fat. Record all readings in a temperature log. Take action if food is outside safe limits, for example, reheat, chill, or discard. Example: if soup is holding at 50 degrees Celsius, reheat it to above 75 degrees before serving. Now we're moving to purchasing and transportation of food. How to handle safely. Purchase only from reliable suppliers. Transport refrigerated food below 5 degrees Celsius. Transport frozen food below -18 degrees Celsius. Your responsibilities. Verify supplier reliability before purchasing. Inspect vehicle cleanliness before loading. Monitor temperatures during loading and transportation. Ensure loading and unloading are done quickly. If something goes wrong, report immediately to your supervisor. Refuse unsafe conditions such as unclean vehicles or major temperature issues. Isolate questionable items and consult your supervisor for immediate action. Now we're moving into receiving and storage of food. Safe handling requirements. Check temperatures at the time of receiving. Store dry goods at temperatures not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Refrigerate food at 4 degrees or below. Freeze food at -18 degrees or below. Your responsibilities. Inspect food immediately upon receipt. Ensure it is fresh, clean, and free from spoilage. Verify expiration dates. Measure and record temperatures at the time of receipt. Transfer food promptly to the correct storage area. Organize according to FIFO, first in, first out. Monitor and record storage temperatures regularly. Periodically recheck expiry dates. If handling becomes unsafe, report immediately, including equipment issues with refrigerators or freezers. Isolate questionable items and consult the supervisor for further action. Now we're moving to preparation and cooking of food. Safe handling guidelines. Safe handling guidelines measure internal temperatures during cooking and cooling. Cook food until it reaches at least 75 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. Cool hot food quickly within 1.5 hours. Reheat food to above 82 degrees. Your responsibilities. Inspect ingredients before preparation. Wash vegetables and fruits thoroughly. Separate raw foods from ready-to-eat foods. Use clean and sanitized tools. Measure and record cooking and cooling temperatures. Follow recipes and procedures accurately. Clean and sanitize all work areas after preparation. If something becomes unsafe, Report immediately to your supervisor and maintenance team. Move food to a safe area if needed, isolate questionable items, and seek immediate guidance. Now let's move into the final stage: holding, serving, and display. Safe handling requirements. Hold and display hot food at 63 degrees or above. Hold and display cold food at 8 degrees or below. Continuously monitor time and temperature throughout the display period. Your responsibilities: inspect food before display to ensure quality and safety. Ensure separation of different food items. Use clean and sanitized serving equipment. Maintain cleanliness in the display area. Ensure proper protective barriers are in place. Record temperatures regularly during display. Refresh displayed food periodically. If unsafe conditions appear, report immediately, especially equipment or temperature issues. Remove food that exceeds safe limits and consult the supervisor for action. Now let's wrap up this module. Safe handling covers every stage: purchasing, receiving, storing, prepping, cooking, and serving. Time and temperature control are your strongest tools for preventing bacterial growth. Always inspect, record, separate raw and cooked foods, and keep equipment clean. Handle unsafe conditions by reporting immediately and isolating food until it's verified. And remember, each handling step affects the next. Teamwork and communication are essential. Finally, safe food handling isn't one person's task, it's everyone's daily responsibility. Every check, every record, and every safe action protects your customers, your establishment, and you.
Before you go, subscribe to the Global FSMS channel for clear, practical food safety guidance. If this video helped you, like it and share it with your team. For complete study material, practical resources, and exam practice tests, visit www.globalfsms.com. Global Food Safety Management System, designed to help you advance your career and strengthen operational excellence.